Guys, it's Bruno with Ryker Wheels here. So we were mounting some tires today, mounting wheels and tires, and we came across two tires with the red dot, yellow dot, one tire with just the yellow dot, and we thought great opportunity for a quick little video and show you guys what it's all about. So I'm sure you guys have wondered, what does the yellow dot mean? What does the red dot mean? My tire has both of them. Is something wrong with them? There's nothing wrong with them, but the red dot actually shows the lowest point of the tire. So no tire, no wheel is perfectly round. The red dot is going to identify the lowest point of the tire, and the yellow dot identifies the lightest point of the tire. So if you only have a yellow dot like this one right here, you want to line up that yellow dot with the valve stem on the wheel, because where the valve stem is on the wheel, that is the highest or the most heaviest point of the wheel. So line it up with that right there, and that's going to help minimize the amount of weight you're going to use to balance it. And if your tire has both dots, you want to use the red dot to line it up with the valve stem, and that will also help minimize the amount of weight that you're going to need to balance the wheels and tires. So we're going to go mount them up and show you guys how we do it. Just mounted a 35-inch Toyo tire, Open Country AT, and all it took was 1.25 ounces in two small sections. I was all thankful to lining up that red dot with the valve stem. So like I said earlier, you use those identifications and line them up with your valve stem. It'll help minimize the amount of weight that you're going to use to balance your tires. So thanks for watching.